everyone, this is Stacy here. Today I'm very glad to introduce you to our indoor distribution products with high standards LAMPRO LDAII series. With its excellent design, LDAII series is an excellent as well as high-cost performance indoor product with multiple cabinet sizes available. Concerning about the installation and maintenance, you can be very free when using our LDAII series due to its easy and quick operation. Currently, it can be widely used in the application scenarios such as shopping mall, retail, house of worship, museum, conference rooms, airport, subway station, etc. So now let's cover the features of our LDAII series in details. Processed with CNC machining, the dial casting aluminum cabinets of LDAII series boast high precision. It is also ultra light and thin, so it's much easier for further operation. Moreover, the cabinet features high universality, which means that different pixel pitches can fit in only one same cabinet structure, realizing 100% reuse rate of the cabinets. In addition, LDAII series is equipped with efficient heat dissipation. How efficient is it? First of all, the method of contact thermal conductance effectively accelerates heat dissipation, and the X shade and wave design on the back of the cabinet is designed specifically for bigger heat dissipation areas. Not only this, the texture heat dissipation ribs further improve the efficiency, ensuring ultra-high stability. LDAII series can also be very flexible and adapted to different cabinet sizes for various application scenarios as we mentioned before. You can customize a cabinet size of 320 multiplied 480 mm or choose 640 multiplied 640 mm, etc. With LDAII series, if you would like to create very stylish shapes, different cabinet sizes can even be spliced together flexibly and cube, cornered, etc. These creative designs are available for you. Referring to the installation, and there is a high precision dowel pin design for fast positioning. What's more, the 3 mm holder designed and the concealed handle on the back of the cabinet both contribute to quick and easy assembly. We know most of the anxieties during installation comes from the damage of lamp bits. No worries, since there is an anti-collision design especially for protecting lamps from damage on our LDAII series. What about the maintenance? LDAII series supports fully front maintenance, so there is no need to leave extra space especially for maintaining, which is extremely convenient and quick. If you have specific requirements for rear maintenance, currently our LDAII series can also satisfy your needs. Based on your specific needs, LDAII series also supports data and power redundancy to ensure stable operations during content presentation. Moreover, the design of indicator lights on the back of the cabinets helps with real-time monitoring, so you can easily notify the operating status and respond to it in time. Okay, wow, this is our top distribution product series, LDAII series, offering you an excellent and user-friendly experience. If you feel interested in it or want to know more information of it, please feel free to contact us at obu@lampro.net. Hope you enjoy our LAMPRO Prime product hours, and we see you soon. Bye bye.